Welcome to Clover Farm. The sun rises over Clover Farm and everyone slowly woke up. It is a new day. Let's meet the animals. First, a little goat jumps happily into the field. This is Pip. He is small, playful, and full of energy. Pip loves to run, jump, and explore every corner of the farm. "Hi, let's have fun today," he says with a big smile. Next, a gentle cow walks slowly across the grass. This is Molly. She is kind and calm, and she takes care of everyone. Every day, she gives fresh milk and makes sure her friends feel safe. "Good morning, my friends," Molly says softly. Suddenly, a loud sound fills the air. Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's Rusty the rooster. He flaps his wings proudly. Rusty wakes up the whole farm every morning and makes sure no one sleeps too long. Behind a small fence, the shy sheep quietly peeks out. This is Luna. She is a little shy but very sweet. Luna loves soft green grass and staying close to her friends. "Hello," she says gently. Then a happy pig rolls around in the mud, laughing. This is Benny. He loves to eat, play, and make everyone smile. "Oink, this is the best day ever," he says happily. Finally, the door of the farmhouse opens and the farmer walks outside with a warm smile. He looks at all the animals with care. The farmer works hard every day and loves all his animals very much. "Good morning, everyone," he says. The animals gather together in the middle of the farm. Pip jumps excitedly and says, "Let's have a great day together." All the animals cheer and laugh. On Clover Farm, everyone is different, but together they are one happy family. And so, a new happy day begins on the farm.